Welcome back, guys, to another Minecraft video where today we are going to do a series. So we got the world set up. We did some off-camera work because is it gonna work? Probably gonna work. We did some off-camera work. We got some stuff going. We got our material of what a house we're gonna build. We got some food while we were at it. So, here's a cool thing that you can do. You can sort your inventory now. Okay, so we are going to build a boathouse. Dun dun dun! I just had to do that. Oh my god. Wait, which place? Hold on. I don't want to take out. I took out some of this land. I don't want to take out any more, but I have to. Or yeah, I need to take out more. Because I already have the idea and stuff already. Where's the shovel? There's my shovel. Let's get to digging. So we're going to take out the land here. Oh, suck. Sorry if I wasn't talking. No, I took out the wrong grass. Come on. No, we gotta get the grass. Okay, there. So then there's a tree. Gotta fill out that water. So it's a weird glitch for the water. I gotta fill it up in a minute. Hold on. But let's get to the house. Actually, let's just do it. So when we went mining for the stuff. We all know that. And we got some tons of iron. And we got, water buckets. Let's fill these up. Oh, what? I'll take it from the other, I guess. Okay, no, it does not look weird. That's good. Because then we can go right there. And then we can go right there. And now it should look even. Is that better? Yeah, okay. So now let's get to boating. What's up, sheeps? Okay. There's villages we haven't gone to yet. Didn't want to do it off camera. I wanted to wait. Looks like it's turning to nighttime. Let me get this apple, eat it. See if we can go to sleep. Can only sleep at night. It's not nighttime. Come on. Oh, that felt so good. Let me stretch. Ugh. Oh, that feels so good. Okay, let's get to building. Took out that land. We're gonna build it right here. This is gonna be the first home of the series. Well, not really the first home. That was our first home. Okay, so what I'm thinking is gonna raise animals right here. Our first home I was gonna mine right here and build it, but no. This is gonna be our first home, but not the first home we slept in. Okay, so I already came up with ideas. Took me a while to figure it out, but yeah, you have to do this. We're gonna go 2 out. So got 2 out. Then on the third one, we put logs. Do. Then finish putting the logs there. Then we get there. We get there. If you hear any weird noises, that's probably my brother and sister watching my dad's phone. And I bet my sister, when I'm done after this, is gonna want to watch my video. Like she always asks. She's always interrupting my videos. get that done. I was doing this on the same seed, but in a different world. I was on the same world, but in a different. I don't know how to say it. But yeah, gonna go out like that. I'm gonna go out like that. Then gonna want to put that right there. Put that right there. Probably gonna run out of logs for this. Oh, did we not go 3? Nope, we did not go 3. Good thing it doesn't show air pockets. That's the good thing about it. That's what I like about this design. It won't show air pockets. And I've done this several times. I've been wanting to do this a lot ever since I thought of this idea. Then, hold on. Let me see my picture that I made for it. Okay. Want to go out 2? Is that what it is? Yeah, 2. No. Yeah, we mine this out. Yeah, oh yeah, never mind. Oh my god, it's difficulty. Go out 2. Then we want to get our stone bricks. Put the bricks right here. I want to go out. So this is 3, 4, 5. And then, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But I'm gonna mine this out. I'm gonna put a log there. And then put it right there. Then we're gonna take out this. Put the log there. I'm gonna go by 7 again. But hold on. Ah, I keep falling in the water. What's up, piggy? You chillaxing? Get this door. I'm gonna go with 1 single door. I'll need double doors, but it's not gonna look cool with this design. I can't believe this is gonna be the first video of our series. Yeah, cause then if we put the door on the slabs, watch. Oh, I got an axe. Oh, what? Then why the last time it didn't work? Wow, I had a different design, but I guess this one works. Because we were supposed to go... Hold on. Took out the water. Wow, that actually looks cool. The first design was going to be like this. But then I'm going to put the door. Oops. Can we put the door now on? Was there something wrong with the game? Oh yeah, see, yeah, I think it can only be 1 block, yeah. I have to make it so it looks like it's 1 block. Oh, it's okay. Ah! Hey, it makes it into grass. If you need grass, yeah, it's gonna be right here. If we ever get a silk touch, anything. Okay. So then we want to get it in the middle. It's gonna be right there. In the bricks. So then gonna get that. Then put that there. Put that there. Boom. Mind blown. What? Actually, let me get the pick out. I don't think this is a good idea. Oh, I love this glitch. Yes! There's a glitch for you to get faster on your roof. I think this would look better. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Way better. Yeah, that's how you do it. We got 7 then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep. Let me go like that. I want to go up 3. Hold on a second. Nope, we're not doing this. This is what I want to do. I'm going to go up 1. Then put that block there. Then I want to go right there. Put that block right there. Then we're going to want to go across. Now that's better. Well, to me it looks better. We'll see once we're done. I think I'm not going to have enough logs. Oh, just 1. Oh yeah, that looks pretty good actually. And then we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. Okay. Gonna have to go mining a little bit. I'm not mining, but tree chopping. Tree chopping. Tree chopping. Let me get some food. Okay. Let's get over here. Looks like, yeah. I don't really want to ruin the front side of it. We quite need a few to make this thing work. Not chopping down that tree. This tree we're chopping down. It's just in a random area, not in a forest or anything. I think just chopping this last tree right here would be good. And then we're fine. Maybe one more, who knows. Heading where the... Okay, yeah, chop down this last tree and then we're done. We're gonna head home. And start running. Running here is okay. Oh, a little stream. Our boathouse is so nice. It's not 7. Should have 2. Yeah, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Take this out then. Whoa! I don't know what the heck just happened right there. But something happened. Gonna put that log there, and I think we're gonna call it a video. Goodbye, you guys. See y'all next time.